Pop out with the patty. Yo, we making a burger. Making a burger. Making a burger. Making a burger. Hamburger. Hamburger. Picking them up.
Cooking the burger.
Bro, look how good mine looks. Right there.
Yep. Yep. You guys got to work on the little melding technique, but it's working nice.
I'm back from yesterday.
Work at that ball, just like that. Just when you thought you were squishing it too hard, it wasn't hard enough. Coffee.
How's it feel making dinner?
I got Poppy.
What was it? Didn't you slap the turkey at Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Not me.
What's your problem?
I've already missed way too many days of work.
With the burger juice. Oh.
Hey guys, let's make a little bit.
Yo, what burger is that one, bro?
Well, who's that? That's Dom's. Dom's small burger.
What burger is that one? That one is ugly.
This one?
That one?
Bro, we're looking at the small burger.
Yo, we got the pool over there.
Too small, Biggie. I'll have that little small burger. Daddy, we're making a little small burger, okay?
It's me or the Nintendo. I want you to let me know.
Dom,
Fortnite video with your
look
Fortnite.
at, it's a small one. Tiny.
You touched that one right there. That one's tiny. Put your fingers out the camera.
How warm is the water?
Daddy,
Freezing. Cold.
Daddy, they made a small one.
Already been checking it out.
It's a tiny one.
The girls are waiting for they want the ladder to go in.
Yeah.
You think there's chicken stuff under there?
We are.
Burger. Bro, I'm gonna touch you with my burgers.
Yeah.
Can you go get Mama tell her I need a get a pan or something? I need to put the burgers in. And I need some cheese.
You got the cheese?
Have they?
Lynn, am I allowed to put the phone in there?
Let me see.
I never got the girls' crock, I don't think. Oh yeah, there's the white one. I've never seen those crock. Xavier, you and that stupid song. You get it stuck in my head every time.
What did I say?
Fortnite.
I wasn't even singing that.
Yes, you were.
That was Dominic.
Fortnite. Battlefire.
the good one.
Burger.
Eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger.
You want a burger, Dad?
Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. You gotta get the cheese. You gotta get the cheese. Cheese.
You don't gotta put it back. Just put it on the table.
We got strawberry.
Get all the meat essence off of your phalanges.
I'll go put it on the...
Where you guys going? You guys are finishing it. You guys are putting the cheese on.
I want to put the cheese on. Let me see one.
Put the cheese on the burgers, back.
Yeah, but we need the little one.
That's Lainey.
Cheese on. Here, I got you, Lainey.
I got the cheese.
Got the
The
cheese.
cheese.
Dominic, put the cheese on there. Wait a second. Hurry up.
How
We need
are we
that
gonna put the
cheese.
cheese on the little one? We need that.
Look at the little burger right there. That tiny one.
Delicious.
Yo, we got Dominic.
I'm
Everyone
gonna
make
smack
a
it on there. I'm gonna smack it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll smack it on the yeet.
We got Chuck a Cat.
We got John and the Naruto.
Yeah, you already know.
The Naruto.
Ready?
Yeah. Woo!
That was garbage.
That was garbage. Yeah, that was garbage.
Nice.
No, he messed up.
Watch the flip. Watch the flip. Watch the flip. Watch the flip.
What?
Ooh.
Got me out here like these patties. Out here like these patties all day, every day, bro. We do this. We do this.
Can you 360?
Can I 360? Bro, of course I can 360, bro. What do you think I am? You seen that?
Backflip.
Yeah, we do this all day. We do this all day. Hold on. Ready? All day. All day. We do this all day, bro. Flipping like these patties. Come on now.
That 360 was legendary.
I know, right?
Nah, he can't front flip.
Front flip?
He could Webster.
Yeah, front flip. Tired though.
Hey, you other fools can put the cheese
Crack
on.
the
Put
back.
the cheese on.
Back to crack.
Hey, ready. Watch this.
That was way better. Dominic, you good? Kiss it. Dominic broke his kneecaps. He's dead. Gotti.
Got you.
Phone in the water,
Let's go. You guys want to see an underwater shot?
I'm scared of.
I don't know if this will break the camera or not. Sure? Like just for a second?
Yeah, just for a second.
Okay, y'all about to see under the pool. That's crazy clear, bro. For real.
Yeah,
That's crazy clear.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's
We
good.
do underwater videos. I don't
Yeah.
know.
We might do an underwater video today.
Yeah, we might.
we might.
With Luigi or something.
Yeah.
Got the cheeseburgers on deck.
Got the cheeseburgers on deck. And you know that he Pokemon wrecked.
Come on, Rick.
About to wreck you in Super Smash Bros. I just beat you. Next one, we gotta go.
Gotta go. Just scratch on my nose.
By the way, Skittles is our dog.
RB. No.
The really tiny one. It's got a tiny piece of cheese on it.
Tiny.
No,
The baby.
I can do 360.
Oh yeah, she could do a 360.
Hey, ready?
Ready? Hit the 360, Dom.
360.
Oh wait, he's going on trampoline.
Go. Come on, get it.
Hit it.
Hey, y'all watching?
Go, go, go! Hooray!
That's what we do running park. Oh, we know running park.
Yo, that's how we do it. That's how we do it.
Yeah, that's how we do
it, bro.
I put my phone in the water.
Ready, bro? Ready? 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 Ready for this kick? Kick? Ready for the kick? Ready for the kick? Kick?
That was garbage. But yeah, I put my phone in the water for a second.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the boom.
Okay.
Look, Brayden.
Watch this double decker.
Hit it with a kaboom. That's what we do. That's what we do. Oh.
Give
Double
my
decker
change.
blue
Give my
band.
change.
Nah, boy.
I said, give me my change. Come on, I'm bored.
Right.
Hold on. I have to record later.
Ready? Oh, look at these handles. Look at these handles. Oh, you missed me. Oh, you missed me. Oh,
Nothing.
psych. Oh, got him again. Hold on, for the top. Yes, sir, bro. Splash.
Hey, ready?
Splash on that boy.
Give my change. Give my change. Give my change.
I'm going swimming, boy.
Right there.
Splash.
Cool, right there. Go on and jump in there.
Hey, we're gonna go
Jump in there.
swimming
Yep.
in a...
Hey, where's the ladder? Let's bring the ladder on.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, ready? Got it.
Yeah, we might record an underwater video. It's gonna be lit.
Underwater video, bro. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, bro. It's gonna be so lit, bro.
The burger's done.
Block them.
All right. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna record
See.
an underwater video later.
No, wait. We're not ending it. We're not ending it. He's playing, bro. We gotta show the aftermath and what we're actually eating.
And we have to show when we're going in the pool.
Nah,
That's
we're
in a
gonna.
different
Yeah,
video.
that's in a different video.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do the laugh.